I plan to get a victory.
It's Gabby. Hello, Gabby. Can I get in? Can I get in? Can I get in? Can I get in?
Oh no, this is unfortunate. I'm not sure I quite understand your accent. Is there a favorable location that you would like to drop?
Do you know who Slater Codish is? He's on TikTok and he trolls people in Warzone lobbies using a children's voice or whatever. Has a bunch of fun with it, making people think that he's a kid even though he's not. It's so fun and a lot of people have gotten on this craze, and I want to show you how you can do it using your PS4 and the FIFINE SC3. No PC, no voice mod, nothing, just one device, and you could even use your headset at home. I'm gonna show you this, and before you ask, because I know somebody's gonna get in the comments and say it, yes, this works on Xbox, but not with this exact setup. It requires kind of a special plug-in setup because Xbox doesn't like third-party stuff. I'll make another video specifically on that, so be on the lookout for that. This one's specifically for PS4, but if your Xbox people don't leave, this is pretty cool. Let me go ahead and show you. The product in question today is the FIFINE SC3. This thing is so cool, and I want to go ahead and show you how I've got it hooked up so that it will work and what you could do. Number one, I've already done a full review on it if you want to go check out how it works, etc. That was on July 1st of this year. Pretty cool, 2023. Nice, $50 for this. Anyway, so what you get on this is actually this change voice button. We'll go ahead and preview them in a second, but I want to show you what's on the back. Right now I have the FIFINE AM8, which is the microphone you're listening to right now, connected by XLR to this, but you don't have to have an XLR mic. This actually takes a headset port just like on the bottom of your controller. So if you wanted to plug in and get your audio as well as send your mic to this and do all of these voices, you could do that by using this headset port. It takes a TRRS or a 3-prong kind of cable, right? You also get a headphone port. So if you do use XLR and you want to just plug in headphones like I've done with the HyperCloud 2s here, that's how I'm doing it. And I actually can control my headphone volume here. I'm using a special connector here for the line out. It's just an aux cable, but it's how you're hearing me right now so that you can hear the voices, because PlayStation people will hear them, but it was kind of hard for me to figure out how to route them back around. So yeah, this is like a big technical thing I'm doing. And then obviously I have the USB connector, which powers this and sends the data directly connected to the PS4 right here. And the PS4 sees it as a microphone. So here's the PS4, and we're actually going to go into settings and go down to devices, audio devices, and you can go ahead and see input device is the USB headset, the FIFINE SC3. It sees this just as a headset microphone. It's crazy that you get all of this stuff and it just sees it as a headset. What you do need to do, and I'll go ahead and say this, is you do need to go in here and adjust your microphone level. This is what my settings are at, and I'm really close with the FIFINE AM8, but whatever your microphone is, you need to adjust this. And also for reference, just so that you see it, I have my microphone level all the way topped out at the very top to be able to achieve this result. So just know that that is the case. And then volume control for your headphones. Obviously you can adjust this however you want. You can put audio output to your audio for the, to your headphones, etc., whatever the case, right? Whatever you normally do on PlayStation, but just know it looks at it as a normal USB headset. I'm gonna go ahead and preview these voices right here. You go ahead and see you've got male, female, which is female, robot, monster, baby, and elder. And I'm gonna preview them for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this.
This is the male voice, because apparently my voice isn't male enough. Ha 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 ha.
This is the female voice. Sounds closer to mine.
This is the robot voice.
The baby voice, which is what I plan to use. I'm speaking normal. I'm not adjusting anything. It's literally doing everything. Oh my God!
And I do love the elder one. I think you could really make some people you could do some really cool fact stuff and make people love this voice. I think this is so cool. And then to
change it back, you just press and hold the button and you go back to your original voice. So it's really easy to flop in and out, in and out, in and out. We're going to test this live. I've never tested this. We're going to jump straight into a Warzone match and go see if we can get any people to react to this voice. So let's go do that. Hopefully this isn't too loud. You guys can actually hit my mic, but I'm in here testing my microphone. Listen to this. Oh my God. Here, I'm gonna do test. Okay, so there's gonna be an echo.
This is going to be fun.
Okay, so one thing I've had to do is I had to lower the master volume because I can't split out the audio the way I have it set up for the mic. So hopefully, I'm not too loud and you can hear everything in the party chat, okay? I have never played on PS4. I haven't even used the PlayStation 4 controller before. This is literally the first time I've actually booted up a game with it. It feels so weird. I'm used to being an Xbox player. By the way, is the controller that much different? It feels so much smaller.
This is my first time playing this game. Hello? Oh, I think what do we do? Hello?
Oh, I mute this guy.
I actually got a weapon. A weapon! It's Gabby. Hello, Gabby. Can I get in? Can I get in? Can I get in? Can I get in? Oh, thank you. Oh my God, you're so amazing.
I'm going to try a different voice this time. We're going to see how it goes. They didn't like that voice.
I think the elder voice is exactly what we're looking for. Where are we dropping things? Oh, upstairs, right here on me. Oh, I got fired. Whole team. That was quite unfortunate. My head was hurting trying to figure that one out. I was going to do, let's play a little game.
Oh God, that guy had so much echo. Holy crap. All right, let's try one more. It obviously works because I can hear what I was saying echoing back. All right, let's try one more time.
We're going to go back to the elder voice. I don't know how well this is going to work. We're going to wait for people to be able to join. How is everyone doing today?
I'm doing good. What about yourself?
I'm doing quite well. It's nice to have you on my squad tonight. I plan to get a victory. What about you?
I plan on wiping these niggas out.
Fortunately, I believe that I did not catch your last transmission. You plan on what again?
I'm planning on wiping these boys out like Squid Games.
Oh no, this is unfortunate. I have taken the death.
Unfortunately, I have to put the leaf down.
I'm not sure I quite understand your accent.
Unfortunately, I had to put the marijuana down. I couldn't focus.
I just realized you said you had to put the marijuana down to focus. Oh, I went down. There's a guy right beside you.
Unfortunately, we did not get the W. Better luck next time.
Well, we might get it. I am totally going down. GG's, people.
Gerald, he's coming for you. He's coming for you. He's in here, Gerald. He's in here, Gerald.
Shut up.
I want to run with you.
Stop.
Target down.
I got a kill. I got a kill.
So we didn't get some fantastic clips, but we did get some cool interactions. So hopefully you can see how amazing this FIFINE mixer is and is an option for you to use as a console streamer to upgrade your audio sound, but even have soundboards and a whole bunch of other options. It's a really cool thing, especially if you're looking for something like this, or just honestly to troll people in your fire team or your party or whatever the case. Anyway, if you want to see a review for these products, I'll leave them here at the end of the video. Make sure you check out my website, darkencyrus.com, to be able to work with me, hit my contact information, reach out to me on socials. I'd love to be able to come alongside you as a creator. And yeah, it's been awesome. Check out these videos. We'll see you over in those. Amazon links for everything you've seen in the video down in the description. Affiliate, thank you so much for supporting the channel. And we'll see you next time.